The importance of truck maintenance for Lucky Star Auto Transport in California. Ensuring safety on California's diverse roads. California's vast and varied landscape presents unique challenges for auto transport companies like Lucky Star. From the winding coastal highways to the steep mountain passes and scorching desert roads, the state's diverse terrain puts significant stress on vehicles. Regular and thorough truck maintenance is paramount to ensure the safety of drivers, the vehicles being transported, and other road users. Proper maintenance includes regular brake inspections, tire checks, and suspension system upkeep. These are important in preventing accidents on California's busy freeways and challenging mountain routes. Well-maintained brakes are important. When navigating the steep grades of the Grapevine on I-5 Suarez or the long descents in the Sierra Nevada. Good tire condition is necessary for maintaining traction on slippery roads, in the coastal areas, or during occasional winter conditions in higher elevations. Optimizing operational efficiency and cost management. Proper truck maintenance is very important for every car carrier, and this is an important ingredient to success in the competitive auto transportation business. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, which can be particularly costly in California due to high labor rates and potential towing fees across long distances. By investing in preventive maintenance, Lucky Star Auto Transport can significantly reduce the risk of costly repairs and minimize vehicle downtime. Well-maintained trucks are more fuel efficient, an important factor given California's high fuel prices, such as regular tune-ups, air filter replacements, and proper tire inflation, can lead to substantial fuel savings over time. This not only reduces operational costs, but also helps the company maintain competitive pricing in a market where margins can be tight. Trucks in good condition are less likely to cause delays in delivery schedules, helping Lucky Star Auto Transport maintain a reputation for reliability and punctuality, which is crucial for customer satisfaction and repeat business in the auto transport sector, prolonging truck lifespan and protecting assets. The trucks in Lucky Star Auto Transport's fleet represent significant capital investments. Routine oil changes, fluid checks, and addressing minor issues before they escalate can significantly extend a truck's operational life. This is particularly important given the wear and tear from diverse Californian conditions, from salt air corrosion near coastal routes to increased strain on cooling systems in desert areas. By extending the truck's lifespan, Lucky Star Auto Transport can avoid the high expenses of regular truck replacements, allowing for better allocation of capital towards growth and services improvement. A well-maintained truck holds its value better, providing better returns. If the company decides to upgrade or sell their older vehicles, your car deserves the best. Find out how this simple video idea, a trusted car shipping service that can move your car safely and easily. Find out how Lucky Star Auto Transport can help. Like and share JL Solutions video guide and empower those around you to become more informed car owners. Your action can make a difference.